What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link for that is in the description or up on the screen. I don't know what that sound was. Today we're going to learn how to play Faded by Seven Sons. So grab your ukuleles and let's go get faded. Okay, so we got 5 chords that we're going to play. It's going to be D, cover the top 3 strings here, second fret, sorry. We're going to play A, top string 2nd fret, and then the 3rd string 1st fret. We're going to play E, cover the top 3 strings here on the 4th fret, bottom string 2nd fret. Okay, we're going to play B minor, bar this 2nd fret here and cover the top string on the 4th fret. We're also going to play F sharp minor. We're going to cover the top string 2nd fret, 3rd string 1st fret, 2nd string 2nd fret. Okay? 7 Sons. Alright, homies, let's go over the structure of this song. So we're going to begin with an intro, and then we have the chorus, then we got verse 2, chorus, the bridge, and then the chorus again. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. So let's go over how we play the intro and the verses. These are going to be played the same. It's going to be D, A, E, B minor. Okay. The chorus is going to be played a little bit different. It's going to be D, A, E, and B minor. But then the second line is going to go D in A and then E twice. Okay, we're going to do that 3 times. So D, A, E, and B minor. And then again it's going to be D, A, and E twice. And then repeat that again. D, A, E, B minor. And then the second line is D, A, and E twice. Okay, and then we're gonna have a bridge, and it's gonna go B minor, F sharp minor, A, E. That's where he says shine bright. B minor, F sharp minor, and then E twice. B minor, F sharp minor, A, and then E, and then D, A, and then E. And then it goes back to the chorus, okay? So that's how you play the different sections of the song. Intro and verse are the same. Chorus is an altered version, which D, A, E, B minor, D, A, E twice. And we're going to repeat that rendition 3 times for the chorus. And then the bridge is B minor, F sharp minor, A, E, B minor, F sharp minor, E, B minor, F sharp minor, A, E, and then D, A, E. So let's play it all together. You can make sense of everything that I just said. Ready? It's going to start with a slow little intro. It's like little aerial picking, kind of feels like you're in space. This is the intro. Okay, then into the chorus. chorus. Going into the bridge, B minor, oh, sorry, we're still in E. Fades out. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. If you know somebody who wants to learn how to play this song, go ahead and share it with them. The link to the Discord is in the description below. That's where you can make your requests, and I will see you guys next week. Okay then.